Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna have a hotel review on Four Seasons Hotel just right over there. Hey guys, we're going to check in now. We've already checked in and our room number is 1819. So just remember the first thing you're gonna check is the evacuation diagram just in case any emergency happens. Our room is right here. Our room has been upgraded to a partial harbor view. We're gonna show you the view later. This bathroom gives me a feeling of Japanese hotel because it's quite tiny and it's quite tight. On my left hand side is a very small bathtub. I'm pretty sure you can fit me because I'm quite short because it's really small. Then on this side we got some of the cleaned towels and two bath towels. Over the basin we have another soap. This is the body lotion. There are two cleaned toothbrush glasses. Those are cotton buds, cotton swabs. Then we got two hand towel, one shower cap, tissue box here. Then on the left side, we got this separate shower room. We got a overhead shower head, shampoo, shower gel, hair conditioner. They're all from the same brand, Christian. Very small and cleaned toilet up there. In the wardrobe, over the top, we got some space for this storage. Bathrobe right here, iron and iron board. Pretty standard. For this one, we got more space for storage or safe. Down here, we got laundry bags and complimentary shoe shine. They prepared us two pairs of slippers. They have two different colors. It's larger and one is smaller. So if you turn on the other side, you can see they have marked those sizes on this one. Large in-wall LG TV. We have some decorations over the top. Second level, we got so many glasses. Got 2 bottles of water. This is the bar menu. Really welcome gifts. Kettle, Nespresso machine here. They have really paid attention to those details. This water bottle filled. There's coffee mugs, milk, coffee capsules, can opener, 2 spoons. We got those French handcraft tea, chamomile, English breakfast, drinking chocolate. To be honest, I have never seen in other hotels who provided this one. Snacks, ice bucket and 2 mugs. Wow. A little fridge filled with different kinds of drinks, water, juices, beer. I'm very impressive. This is the only hotel since COVID offer this sanitizer bag. It's in a zip bag. Let's see what we have here. Sanitizing wipes too, and hand sanitizer, 2 face masks. A king size bed. On the left hand side, we got this side table. For this control panel, we can turn on the do not disturb option. From here, we adjust our light, bowl speaker, a bottle of water, and this is remote control. Down here we got this hotel emergency information pillow, very soft. This side we still got this control panel and USB socket, 1 bottle of water, and this is the phone. Four Seasons Hotel iPad. Through this tablet we can check the dining, spa, pool, fitness club, presentation, and then we can make a request through this tablet. This is really good. Postcards, some envelopes with Four Seasons Hotel's logo on it and the address, and some paper. Couldn't find the pen in the drawer. I think the pen is missing. This is our room view, partial harbor view. We are going to the grand. I've made myself a cup of chamomile tea. I'm gonna share my feelings for staying with the Four Seasons Hotel so far with you guys. I'm gonna start with the check-in process. To be honest, I felt welcomed in this hotel. We've stayed with the Four Seasons hotels before, and our previous stay was recognized when we checked in. They said welcome back, and just that little welcome back made us feel so different. So they've recognized we've booked the hotel through American Express FHR program, which was really great because we didn't have to ask for those benefits. Morning, going to Mount Kitchen Bar for our breakfast. Breakfast is open from Monday to Friday, 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. For Saturday and Sunday, it's from 6:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Large long black. Hopefully it can wake me up very soon because I still feel very sleepy. Just to let you know, I'm going to have an upcoming stay with the Park Hyatt Melbourne, and I've just checked into my Hyatt app on my mobile phone, and I've noticed my room has been upgraded. How exciting! If you want to know what room type we've been upgraded to, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and in my next video I'm going to have a hotel review on Park Hyatt. I will see you then. Bye. Guys, we are going to check out very soon. Before we check out, I just want to summarize the highlight and the low light of staying with this Four Seasons Hotel Sydney. For the highlights, I really want to say the top one is the service. The service is really good. They paid so much attention to details, and I feel welcomed and I feel so good here. From check-in to room service, into our breakfast, everything's perfect. The second highlight I want to mention is the green bar. It is fantastic. If you don't have chance to stay with the Four Seasons Hotel, I highly recommend come to the green bar, order the signature coke, and yeah, just chat in, chill out. It is so good. I love it. And the third part is the breakfast buffet. It is so good. The only low light I could think of is like the room is a bit small compared to other hotels. I mean, as a luxury hotel, the room is quite narrow, and the bathroom is really small as well. I'm looking forward to stay with the Four Seasons hotels all around the world in other countries. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.